Hello everyone. This week I'm gonna cook a recipe using our dough, but we're gonna cheat. We're gonna do something I always tell you not to do, but for this recipe we can use the rolling pin. Okay, let's go. So we have our dough still wrapped and individually wrapped. I just put it overnight in the freezer, in the fridge, and I left it there. I just took out of the fridge, okay? So it's not properly proven. So you don't have, for this recipe, don't have your dough, you can just take out of the fridge, basically. We're gonna go and dip into flour, dust. The oven doesn't have to be too hot as well. So I just started basically, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with our rolling pin to roll out, okay? Ta, ta, ta. So I rolled out with the pin my dough. Now what I did before, I boiled, couple 2-3 potato, one large potato. We're gonna well boil that, little bit of butter. I found this recipe online, but I kind of changed a little bit. And now we're gonna go and make our mashed potato, okay? Really well. So now we have our potato been mashed. It's very easy. You use only 1 or 2, 3 little or 1 large. I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. And then we stir. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and put a little bit of, I'm gonna put the recipe on the website. This is delicious. I found this recipe online. I kind of changed a little bit. Mozzarella, grated mozzarella. Let's put some nice bun. Then yeah, like this. Let's get it all out. Yeah. Then you spread it all around as you can, like this. And this is perfect. Now, in the interim, our oven is perfect. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this. Okay? We're gonna close it, go and close it. Well closed, okay? Then we're gonna go, cut this round, get it all like this. We do like a mini calzone kind of, it's like this. It's all pinched and closed, okay? Now we're gonna go and roll it, okay, out a little bit, like this. We're gonna go and spread it. Make a round. This is pretty cool to do, with your friends, with your kids. It's a very simple recipe, but you'll see. I've done it a couple of times already. Bam. Okay, now our oven is amazing. You don't want it to be too hot. Okay, like it has to be kind of pizza hot. But now we're ready. You see what it looks like. Now with our, make sure you can pick it up with your, you can do it with either peels, but because it's not too big, I'm using our turn. And then inside the oven, this, after I will show you, with a little bit of honey, cheese and potato kind of bake, you know, flat bread, delicious. And we cook it inside, but we have to be careful not to, we don't want to, we don't want it too hot, the oven. We want to cook it gently all around. So you want it cooking on both sides, but you don't want it burning, okay? So now we're gonna go and turn, and here we go inside. You might have to turn a couple of times, okay? This recipe, I saw it online, and it was done on a frying pan, okay, with melted butter. But I thought this is perfect for the oven, okay? So I've done a couple of times and it's gorgeous. Look at this, huh? Look, huh? Our nice is almost ready. Oh, look at this. Is it gorgeous? Okay, I can see it. It's ready. Bam. Eccoci qua. Guarda che bello. Okay? So now this is what you get from this recipe. Okay? An amazing cheese mozzarella. You can use even different cheese and potato bake to share. And it's delicious with, look at this, whoa. Our cutter is perfect to do this. It's delicious. Ecco qua, guarda che roba, guarda che bellezza. Bam, bam. With a little bit of honey, like this. Amazing. Thank you, wood fire oven. Fantastic. See you next week. Ciao.